Today, we got a package. I'm really excited about this. I ordered this thing last Friday. It shipped on Tuesday, and I was expecting it to get here on Monday, but it got here today, Thursday, 4 days early from Germany. This is from Germany. It's crazy because there was some auto resellers in the United States that wouldn't even ship up here to Alaska, but this guy did it from Germany in like 2 or 3 days. It's wild. Let's see what the condition of this is. Oh man, looks like they did a really good wrap job. Oh boy. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see in what condition this is in. Who knows, I might be able to just swap this and that from there to here. Wow. They did a great job wrapping this thing, that's for sure. Oh, wow. All right, so it's a little dirty. That's okay. All right, the biggest thing I saw was some damage. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. Definitely is dirty, definitely needs to be washed. But as you can see, what I was looking for was this piece right here. And it is still intact. So I'm going to take the rest of this plastic off, clean this thing up a little bit, and we'll reassess after I clean it up. I'm gonna do the same process I did when I was cleaning this, and we'll see how good we can make it look. So let's get to it.